Hello, students. How are you all? Welcome to Mehdi English School. And my name is Nilofer Miss. My subject is mathematics, and this online session is for the class 2. So, my dear students, welcome back after Diwali vacation. I hope you all enjoy the Diwali vacation very well. But after the Diwali vacation, we are coming back to our work, to our study. But still, you are not coming to the school. We still continue our session online. We are not come to the classroom. Still, we are continue our study through the videos, right? So I hope that you all are waiting for the videos. I hope now you all are relaxed. So now it's time to study. We are just get back our work. So I hope that you all are remember all the things. Semester 1 is complete. You complete your essay exams. Now the next internal exams will become soon. So you have to prepare for the exam of the internal. So students, let's start the study. So I hope that you all are ready for it. And mathematics is not a hard subject. It's a very easy subject, students. So let's start this. But I told you one thing before we start our study. In the semester 1, we complete chapter 1 to 7. This chapter will not come in the semester 2, but chapter 1 to 7 will come in the internal exam. So today we start the semester 2 and chapter number 8 from this semester 2. This chapter is very easy for you all. You will enjoy a lot this chapter. So before we start our lecture, let's see one quote. As you know that before we start our lecture, I am showing you one quote. If we are in the classroom, I write the quote on the board. But we are not in the class, but we are met online. We are meet online. So I will show you the picture of the quote. Here is the quote that say less and do more. What do you mean by this quote? So say less, it means speak less, talk less. Do not say that I will try to get first rank. No need to say it, but do more to get that rank. Say less. You have not to, that is not necessary to say that I will get the first rank, I will get this thing, I will get this certificate. No need to say like this. Just do more hard work. What do you mean by do more? Do more, it means do more hard work, do more study. Say less, do more hard work, do more study, do more revisions, do and do and do again and again. So say less and just do more. That is the real meaning of this quote. So students, let's go back to the study and let's start the new chapter. So we complete the chapter number 8 in the last session, right? But we are just complete chapter 1 to 7 in the semester number 1. From the chapter number 8, we are started the semester number 2. We already complete chapter number 8. So chapter 8 is a part of the semester number 2. We will ask chapter number 8 in the semester number 2. So after chapter number 8, we are going to start the chapter number 9. And the name of this chapter is, here is the chapter number 8, and the name of this chapter is Shapes and Patterns. What is the name of this chapter? Shapes and Pattern. So first of all, let's looking back that what do you mean by shapes and what do you mean by patterns? So first of all, from this chapter, as per the name, we are discussing about the shapes. After the shapes, we move to the pattern. So first of all, let's start. Let's continue this chapter with the help of looking back. What do you mean by looking back? Looking back, it means to show something in the past. Past, it means in the standard first. So what do you learn about the shapes and pattern in the standard 1? You already complete this chapter in the standard 1. But now here we are going further for this chapter. We are going in detail for this chapter. So students, let's start this. First of all, you can see here one shape. I will show you through the red dot. You can see this, I am showing you. So you all know very well that what is the name of this shape. What is the name of this shape? You all know. Just speak the name of this shape. I will show you the name of this shape. So it is a circle. Here is the name of this shape. You can call it a shape. And which shape is this? This is a circle shape. So let's see the next shape. I hope you all know which shape is this and in which color is this. So this is a rectangle, right? Right? It is rectangle. No, this is not a rectangle. So, is it triangle? Is this? No, this is not a triangle. So, is this a star? No, this is not a star. So, which shape is this? Do you know, students? So, you can speak the answer. After your answer, I will see you the right answer. So, which shape is this, students? Yes, square. This is the square shape. Here is the spelling, right spelling of the square shape. I hope you all just identify the shape very properly. Here is the square shape. Now the next shapes are there for you. You have to identify this shape, that which shape is this. So first of all, this is a square maybe. Is it? Is it a square? No. So is it a triangle? Yes. No. Okay, no, it is not a triangle. So it is a oval shape. An oval, it's an oval. No, it's not an oval. So which shape is this? Can you identify which shape is this? Okay, right answer, students. This is the rectangle shape. What is the name of this shape? This is the rectangle shape. Now, I hope you identify these are the basic shapes. What shapes are these? These are the basic shapes. Now, let's move to the next shape. So, can you tell me, students, do you tell me this, that which shape is this? Can you tell me this? So, is it a circle? I hope that it looks like a circle. Is it? Yes? True or false? Is it circle or not? No, this is not a circle. So, students, which shape is this? So, I think this is a rectangle shape. No, this is not a rectangle shape. Then which shape it is? Yeah, this is a rectangle shape, right? No, still no. So okay, now you will speak the answer, then I will speak with you, and I hope you will speak the right answer. This is an oval shape. Which shape is this? This is an oval shape. I hope you identify with the name of the shapes very properly. I have one more basic shape for you, and I hope that you all identify this, that which shape is this. So students, this is a triangle shape. Which shape is this? This is a triangle shape. Now students, these all are the basic shapes and you all identify it very well. We can find around so many shapes around us, like our books, our blackboard, which are rectangle in shape, then fan, door, windows, compass box, lunch box. There are so many things around us in which we can find the different shapes. So whenever you come to school, you have to make one list around you, see the things in which shape. But whenever you come to school, after it you have to make it. Now let's do one activity. So students, are you all ready to do this activity? I hope you enjoy this, and I will send you this activity to your WhatsApp group, and if possible you have to make a printout of it and you can do it at your home, so you can easily understood the shapes, you can know about shapes more. So first of all, what is the heading of this worksheet? Color all the rectangle shapes orange. So first heading is color all the rectangle shapes orange. What it means? That in the first row, here is the first row. In the first row we have to color the rectangle shape only in the orange color. So here, can you find the rectangle shape? Is it rectangle shape? No, it is a star shape. This is rectangle. Yes, this is a rectangle shape. So we have to color this rectangle shape in orange. See this, I'll make this shape in orange color. So this way, now this is a rectangle. No, this is a heart shape. Now here, this is rectangle. Yes, this is a rectangle. So we have to make it color in orange. This way. Now the first row is complete. So let's move to the next row. Let's read the heading first. Color all the oval shapes in green color. So we have to find out where is the shape oval and we have to color it green. So first of all, this shape you can see here. Is this an oval? Yes, this is an oval shape. So we have to color it green. This way you can see I color this shape, oval shape, green. You can see this here. Now this is an oval. No, this is a triangle. So we are not going to color it. Next shape. This is an oval. Yes, this is an oval. So we have to color it green. You can see I color it green. Now the next one, is this an oval? Is this? No, this is a circle. This is not a oval shape. This is not an oval shape. This is a circle. So we are not color this shape because this is a circle. Now the next one, color all the heart shapes in red. What is the heading? The heading is that color the shape which is heart, we have to color it red. So first of all, see here, here is the color. This is the heart shape. Yes, this is a heart shape. Here you can see. So we have to color it red. You can see this. I color this heart shape red. This is a heart shape. No, this is a star shape. Then the next one, is this a star? Is this a heart shape? No, it is not a heart shape. It is an oval. Then the next one, is this a heart shape? Yes, this is a heart shape. So we have to color it red. This way you have to do color by your hands. I am showing you here through the animation, but you have to color by your hands, right? These 3 rows are complete. Let's move to the 4th row. Color all the circle shapes pink. So whenever we find the circle shape, we have to color it pink. Here you can see the pink color. Here is the first shape. So which shape is this? Is this a circle? No, this is not a circle shape. So we are not color this triangle because this is a triangle shape. Now the next one, is this a circle? Yes, this is a circle shape. So we are color it in pink color. So I color it pink. You can see this. I color the circle in the pink. Next one, is this shape of circle? This shape is a circle or not? Yes, this is also a circle shape. So we have to color it pink. This way you can see this. I color it pink. Now the next shape of the 4th row. So this shape is a circle. So no, this is not a circle shape. This is a heart shape. You can see this is a heart shape. So we are not color it. So just leave this empty without color. Next one, color all the triangle shape in blue color. Last row, you can read the heading here. Color all the triangles shape blue. So whenever you find the triangle shape, we have to color it blue. Which color we have to do triangle? In blue in color. So first shape is a triangle or not? No, first shape is not a triangle. So the second shape is triangle or not here in the last one? Yes, it is a triangle shape. So we have to color it blue. You can see here I color it blue. Now the next shape, is this a triangle shape? No, this is not a triangle shape. It's an oval. The name of this shape is an oval. And the last one, is this a triangle here? Yes, this is a triangle. So we have to color it blue this way. I will send you this worksheet into your WhatsApp group. And you have to just complete this worksheet into your fair book. Now, let's move to the next one. Match the name with the shape. This is the different shapes are there and we have to match with the right shape with its name. So first of all, here is the shape. What you can call it? Sphere. So we have to match with its name, which is sphere. Here is, you can see through the arrow, I'll match it. Here is the arrow, you can show I match through the arrow properly with the name. Next one, which shape is this? Can you identify that? Which shape is this? Is this pyramid? Is this cone? No. This is already we are matched. Is this cylinder? No. Is this cube? Or is this cuboid? Which shape is this? This is a cube shape. You can call it a cube shape. So we have to match with the cube shape. Here you can see. Now the next one, which shape is this? Is this pyramid? Is this cone? Is this cylinder or is this cuboid? Which shape is this? This one. is looking like a cone. So we have to match with a cone. This way you can see I match with the cone. This way we have to match the shapes with its name. Here is the cone shape that we are matched with the name of the cone here. Through the arrow you can see here. Now the next one. Which shape is this? Is this a pyramid, cylinder or cuboid? Which shape is this? So this is a cuboid shape. Which shape is this? This is the cuboid shape. I hope you understood this. This all are the 3D shapes. And if you don't know about this shapes, I will show you. I will show you the perfect picture of these shapes and I will explain to you in detail of these shapes. So students, next one, here is the next shape. Which shape is this? Is this a pyramid or cylinder? Which shape is this from this both? So this is the cylinder shape. So we have to match with its name. Here is the name cylinder. And the last shape is the pyramid shape. So we have to match it with the pyramid. You can see here I match the last shape with the pyramid. So you also have to write down this worksheet into your fair book. However, whatever I will show you the worksheet in the video, you have to write down. You must write down all the worksheets in the fair book. Some questions will come from this worksheets also in the exams. Now the next exam after the internal FA3 will come. So you have to prepare for the FA3 exams and you have to take seriously this worksheets. It will be a very helpful to you. Next one. In this worksheet, we have to just count the sides of the shape. So, in the circle, how many sides are there? Circle have no sides. No means zero. Nothing. What it mean by nothing? Nothing. It means a zero. Circle has no any sides. So, we have to circle on 0. Because circle has no any sides, so we are circle on 0. Now the next one, which shape is this? You can read the name of the shape. This is the square shape. So here some options are given and from this option we have to choose the correct option. So let's see this, that how many sides have the square? First side, second, here is third and here is fourth. So square has 4 sides. You can see this, I circle on the number 4 because the square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can count by yourself also that square has 4 sides. Now let's move to the next, which is triangle. You can read the name of this shape, which is triangle. Here is the triangle shape. So how many sides does the triangle have? So let's count how many sides the triangle have. 1, 2 and 3. So triangle has only 3 sides. So I circle on number 3. You can see triangle has 3 sides. Then the next one, rectangle shape. Here is the shape and this is the name of this shape. How many sides does the rectangle has? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the rectangle has 4 sides. So let's circle on the number 4. Here you can see I circle on the number 4 because rectangle has 4 sides. Then the diamond shape, you can see here, this is the diamond shape. Here is the shape and here is the name of the shape. So how many sides the diamond have? Let's count 1, 2, 3 and 4. So diamond has 4 sides. You can see I circle here on the number 4 because diamond has 4 sides. Then the next one, oval shape, and here is the oval shape. You can see and read the name of the shape also. This is the oval shape, and as the circle have any no side, same as oval does not have any sides. Oval have no any sides. So we can circle on 0 because oval is look like a circle. So if circle has no any sides, so oval also has no any sides. So we can just go with the 0. It means oval has no any sides. Next one, the pentagon. What do you mean by pentagon? Which shape has 5 corners? You can call it the pentagons. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's count that how many sides does the pentagon has? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. As per the name, pentagon has 5 sides. So I circle on the number 5. You can see here, this is the shape of pentagon, and as per the name, this pentagon has 5 sides. How many sides does the pentagon has? Pentagon has 5 sides. Is this clear to you all? Now the next shape is hexagon because it has 6 sides and 6 corners also. So we can call it a hexagon, and it has a 6 corners, 6 sides. So we can circle on the number 6 because it has the 6 sides. So I circle on the 6th number. Now the next one, this is a star shape and it has the 10 sides. You can see this, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 19. Total the star has 10 sides. That's why I circle on number 10 because the star has 10 sides. I hope this thing is clear to you all. We will revise all these things in the next lecture also. We always revise the today's topic in the next lecture also. So I revise all this thing in the next lecture also. If you are not understood very properly, so I will explain again these things to you. So if some students are not able to understood, they will understand very well. Now the here next one, identify and color the correct shape. So here is a circle. So where is the circle? Square, star, triangle and circle. So we have to color on the circle. Here you can see. Here is a rectangle. So where is the rectangle? Here is the rectangle. Circle on the rectangle. Then square. Where is the square? Here is the square. Color on the square. Then the star. Where is the star? Here is the star. I color star, right. Then the heart shape. Where is the heart shape? Here is. So let's color the heart shape here. You can see. Then the rectangle. Where is the triangle, not a rectangle. This is the triangle. So I color the triangle, you can see. And at the last oval. So I circle the oval, you can see now. So this is the worksheet. I just show you some different worksheet about the shapes. So I hope you learn so many things about the shapes, and after completing the shapes we will move to the patterns. So I hope you enjoy this lecture after the Diwali vacation. You have to just write down this worksheet into your fair book also. I will send you this worksheet as a homework into the WhatsApp group. You have to write down all the things into the fair book and rough book also. And these shapes are very easy to draw, so you also can draw in the book and you can color it. Just try to color it. Just try to make the shape and draw it and color it. It will be very easy to you. Now this is the worksheet also. I will send this to your WhatsApp group. Thank you so much students. We will meet in the next lecture. So stay home, stay safe. Bye bye students.